guys, and welcome back to this channel. This is me, Juna, again, and in today's video I'm gonna be making my own wedding ring holder for my upcoming wedding next month. So if you've been watching the videos in this channel, you would see that I always have this ring. So I have been engaged for like a year now, and actually we decided to get married or have our civil wedding last year August, but we canceled it due to some like problems or reasons. But this year we are finally pushing it through next month. So my simple civil wedding will be held here in our house, not really mine and David's house, but it's like David's dad's house. And I am saying that it's simple, it's because of what's happening now in our world or outside world. We cannot invite a lot of people, and here in Australia the rule, because of social distancing, is that if you have an important event, you can only have approximately or maximum of 5 people in the area or the venue. That's why it's very simple and very, how can I say, solemn. So much for the intro. I'm gonna turn on the artistic side of me so we can start making the ring holder. So near the place where I work, there is sort of like a party shop which is still open. So I went there and had a look, and I've got some few stuff from there, and also I got the other stuff from Kmart. So at Kmart there are a lot of cheap items. So I bought this sort of jewelry box. So it's gold look jewelry box. This is from Kmart. So this will be the base of my wedding ring holder. So this is very classic. I also have this sort of pebbles, so quartz pebbles. This is also from Kmart, and my partner chose this one because he really loves pebbles or this kind of stones. So I've got glue gun. So I've got these skinny pop sticks. So you might be wondering on how I will use these ones to make my wedding ring holder, so just stay tuned and keep on watching. And I've got these decoration fillers. So these are like gems. I'm not sure if you can see that properly because it's very bright outside. And then I have these glitter tubes. So I've got silver and gold, but I'll just be using the gold one. And then I have these white single stem roses. So I'm not sure yet if I'm gonna use this one or not for this DIY ring holder. So these are the stuff that I'll be using today in making my own wedding ring holder. And I forgot to show you this one. I also have this PVA glue and also this wooden alphabet, because I'll be using this one to make the Mr. and Mrs. So now the first thing that I'll be doing is that I'll be using these letters and these gold glitters. So I'm just basically gonna put the glitters here on the letters. So I'll be using this cover of the box, so just to make sure that I won't be leaving any glitters here on the cloth. So I'll be using letters M, 2M, 2R, and 1S. So that's Mr. and Mrs. Here's another R. And here's another M. So we're set for that one. And here's. Just gonna make sure that we remove the cover of the glue. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue. Then after that, I'm just gonna use my hand to spread the glue. So if you are planning to have your simple civil wedding, also you can also make your own wedding ring holder. So I'm just making sure that I am putting the glue on the top, and I'm just spreading it evenly. Letter M has a lot of glue, so I'm putting it on the other letters. Okay, so I think it is set already. And then we will do the same thing for the mister. So I'm just gonna wait for these letters to dry, and while waiting for this one we will do another thing. So while waiting for the letters to dry, I'm gonna do this one. So what I'm gonna do is just to fill this in with the pebbles. I'm just gonna put it really carefully since this box is a glass one. I'm gonna put these sort of little diamonds. It's gonna be beautiful when it's outside. So I'm done putting the diamonds. Have a look. So it's really nice when it is outside because you can see its particles. So I'm done with the base now. So let's check if our letters are already dry. So I think it's all good. So I'm just like tapping it so we would remove the excess glitters. So if you're doing something like this too, just be very careful not to touch the glitters because it might not be fully dry. So we're all good. So the next thing that I'll be doing is that I'll be putting them together using a glue gun. So there's a space in the S and the N part that I wasn't able to put glue, but I'll be putting some more later on after I put them together. So I'm using a baking paper just to make sure that the cloth is safe. So I'll just be carefully putting a little bit on the side, just enough. So I already put M and R together. Not bad, but not really the best because I can see the glue stick. And then I'll be putting the S. So I'm just trying to see which part of letter R should I put the glue stick. Yeah, it sticked. So I need to really do it really fast because it dries up very fast. So I guess our Mrs. is already okay. And then we'll proceed to the Mr. So that's Mr. and Mrs. So the next thing that I'll be doing is I'm gonna put this popsicle stick, skinny pop stick. So I just need 2 of these. So I'm gonna be putting it on the center. So I'm just gonna put glue on the top. And then I will do the same thing with Mr. If you're using glue gun, just make sure that you won't burn yourself. So we're all good now. So I've got Mr. and Mrs. with the popsicle sticks. So what I need to do now is just to put them here. So it's pretty heavy. So this is not a final look of my own wedding ring holder. So I already put the signs and then 2 white flowers which will basically hold the rings. So I put my engagement ring here, just an example. So that's the final look. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't forget any of my uploads. So thank you so much for watching, and love you heaps. See you on the next one. Bye.